Hello. Today we are going to go over how to borrow books with the Libby app. We are starting today with the app open and already set up. If you need a tutorial on how to set up your Libby app, please refer to our previous video, which is linked in the description below. To search for titles on Libby, click on the magnifying glass icon, which can be found on the hotbar at the bottom of your screen, and go to the search page. Here on the search page, you can type in the name of a digital ebook, audiobook, or periodical to see if it's available. I will demonstrate by searching for The Wizard of Oz. Here you can see all of the materials we have on Libby which have The Wizard of Oz mentioned in their title or description. As you can see, Libby gives you the option to borrow books or place them on hold if another patron is already borrowing that title. You can also narrow down your search options by utilizing the filters just below the search bar at the top of the screen to select a certain kind of materials, organize the materials in a certain way, or to only see materials that are available right now. We encourage you to use these filters to better frame your searches for new materials. To borrow an ebook or audiobook, simply tap on the title. You can choose to read or listen immediately through your app or browser, or to download it for offline reading or listening. Remember, borrowed items through Libby still have due dates, so be sure to read them and try to return them before they are due once you're finished, so that other patrons can enjoy them. Your titles will be returned automatically when they are due, so no need to worry about late fees if you do not return them on time. To keep track of your items once you've borrowed them, you can go to your Libby shelf, which can be accessed by clicking on the books on the hotbar at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can renew items, place holds on popular titles, and see your reading history. If you finish a book early, you can return it to free up space for new borrows. Libby also offers a range of features when you are reading a book to enhance your reading experience. If you encounter any issues while using or trying to access Libby, try restarting the app or your device. Ensure you have a strong internet connection. But if the problem still persists, contact your library or the Morris County Library for assistance. Digital reading through Libby offers numerous benefits. You can carry a whole library in your pocket, access books instantly, and reduce your environmental impact by choosing digital over physical copies. By following these steps and taking advantage of Libby's features, you can unlock a world of literary possibilities at your fingertips. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask any librarian the next time you stop by, or give us a call at 973-285-6970, and we will be happy to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.